Hello beautiful glam girls, welcome back to my channel. Wait, hello beautiful glam girls, glam fam, glam everyone. That felt weird. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video, we have another sponsored video from Nastygal. I'm really excited to show you guys these summer pieces, so let's get into it. Also, yes, my hair is styled naturally today, so I don't want to hear anything in the comments. It's a little wild, but hey, that's what being a brown girl is all about. We're a little wild. And if you want to see how I did this, there should be a reel on my Instagram. If it's not up, it's going up soon, so follow me on Instagram. I showed you guys how I did this no foundation makeup look. It's all concealers and powders and creams. And then I also did a natural hair little tutorial showing you guys how I do my hair. You guessed it, naturally. So anyway, let's jump into this summer haul. Very excited because I'm wearing one of the pieces now, so let's do it. The first piece we have here is this really pretty satin blouse. This is called the I think it's just like tie front satin blouse. Really, really pretty. This is in the shade Oyster. It's the prettiest like opalescent pinky color. So silky and pretty. I love that it's like a crop top and it's kind of open, but it still covers. I love the little frilly sides here with the little tie here. You can make it into a bow or just tie it like that. On me, the arms are a little long, the sleeves, because I'm short, but I still like it because I can just like put it up a little bit. But this is just like the cutest little top for a quick summer dinner, date night look with some jeans. It's just so cute and simple. It's lightweight, and if you're someone who likes to cover your arms, this gives you that, but still looks really put together. And like I said, lightweight, perfect for summer. It's just so cute. Next one has a similar style where it's like a crossover wrap style, but this one has a way bigger peplum. So if you're someone who's belly conscious or hip conscious, this is a really, really cute little top. Again, I like little tops like this for a quick date night outfit when you don't know what to wear, or like a brunch outfit and you're just like frazzled. A cute top and jeans are always classic. And for the summer, this one is so cute. It's one of those wrap styles where you put the tie in one of the holes here and then you wrap the other side, so you can kind of play around with how tight it is and how you wear it. And I love that it has like a little bit of a puff sleeve because it gives it a little bit more pizzazz, a little bit more girliness. And I love the color. I've been wearing a lot of color, like bright, vibrant colors this summer, but I love nude still. And I love this kind of like brown tan kind of color. This is so cute and so easy and comfortable to wear in the summer. I feel like you could even get away with wearing this with like little shorts as well. Plus size textured wrap top. I'm wearing it in, I believe, an 18. I'm not sure if it's a 20 or an 18 or 22 because sometimes their sizes are UK. The tag says 22, so I'm gonna go with 22, and it's in the color Sister. Next piece is absolutely gorgeous. I got it a size too big, so you can see when I pull it down, you see my bra. So the dress is supposed to be up here, but it's too big on me on top because I'm smaller on top than the bottom. It's so beautiful. I'm not wearing anything underneath, and it just flows on the body so nicely. It's a gorgeous like peach blue, like a tie-dye kind of. It's supposed to be tie-dye, but it almost looks like the beach with the gorgeous like tan peachy color with that light sky blue. It almost looks like the beach. It feels like I'm imagining myself like on the shore somewhere in like the, you know, coast of France or something. I don't know. It's just so beautiful. Or like Greece. So this is what it looks like. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's the gorgeous like satin material, really flowy. I love that it has this really beautiful kind of V shape here, and it's like mermaid style. So it flows out really nicely, but you still get a little bit of leg showing, which I like. Oh wait, it has adjustable straps. And look how much better it looks. So, yay. I'm not huge into trends, but I do like to dabble. And one of the fun trends that I'm seeing right now is zebra print. And I had to get this zebra print purse. I think it's so fun, and I think this would be a great way to add that trendy pop of zebra to an outfit. Like if you're wearing an all black or all white or black and white, this could be a really fun kind of campy way to add zebra to your look and be a little bit trendy. This is called the PU Zebra Day Bag Black and White. I freaking love it, and I love how structured it is because it gives it a little bit more of a designer look. I love the little gold hardware to hold under your shoulder. So it makes it a lot more easy and more sensible to wear. You know, if you're going out, you can actually like do stuff with your arms, and it just makes it a little bit more sensible for a long day's outfit. It's also pretty large. You can fit quite a bit in here, all the way up until the top. Like all of this space is open, so you can fit quite a bit. Okay, this next dress is a really nice little basic black dress. It kind of gives me like witchy vibe, but in a good way. It's exactly the same as that stone wrap peplum top that I showed you guys earlier. It's literally the same material, same style, but in a long dress form. Really comfortable, as you guys can see. It's literally just a nice, cozy, comfortable go-to little black dress. Really cute for the summer, or for fall. I think with boots this could be really cute. It is a little bit witchy in my opinion, but it could be cute if you're into that style, or if you're just someone who goes, you know, straight to like black clothing. This could be a nice additive if you work somewhere where you have to wear black. I would wear this if I was still working at Mac or somewhere, like I said, where I had to wear black. I think this could be a cute little option. So you're still comfortable and still feeling a little girly, but you're in, you know, the uniform. So this little number I really love. It has pockets, and I love the shape of this because it gives me a little bit of like a vintage housewife vibes on her day off. I don't know, it's just really cute, and I love the shape of it. Again, I'm wearing a bra underneath because people like to complain that I don't wear bras in my try-on hauls, so here, bra. I think it ruins the clothes, but whatever. I'm gonna take these earrings off because they're annoying me. So I really love this like linen style dress, and it actually does button all the way down, but it has a lot of good stretch to it even though it is linen. I just love how it looks. I love the style of it, and I think you could probably get away with like sticking the sleeves in if you wanted to go like tubeless, or not tubeless, sleeveless tube style. I think you could get away with that as well. And I love the like tortoise shell style buttons. A dress like this is like the perfect little go-to for when I'm just gonna go run errands, when I'm gonna go shoot. You know, I just need something to throw on in between the clothing that I'm shooting. Going to the beach for like a little picnic, and I just want to be comfortable. There's just a lot of places you can wear this, and like I said, you could dress it up and pair it with some cute like espadrilles, wedges, heels. Really do up your hair and makeup, you know. Wear some nice jewelry, and you could like transition it into like a really nice brunch outfit. So I think there's options with it, and it's so lightweight, and of course it has pockets. Okay, this next piece is another little wrap dress, but as you can see, I had too much booty for it, so I paired it with biker shorts just to show you guys what it looks like. If you have less booty than me, this would probably fit you really nicely. But yeah, super cute. Again, wrap style. I love the little cascading ruffle here and the v-neck of it. It's a lightweight material. I love the little puffy sleeve. I love the color. I'm really into this like lilac color. But I mean, I think with like light colored shorts, you could get away with this if you're big like me. Or maybe if you wear some type of like, I don't know, legging or something, you can figure it out. I've worn stuff like this as a top before, so if you are someone who can get away with doing that, I would recommend that. So once again, thank you to Nastygal for sponsoring this video. Don't forget to check out the links below. Again, if you are gonna shop any of these products, I ask kindly that you use the links down below. It's a free way to help me. I do make a small commission from using those links, but it also helps me get more collaborations like this with brands, because they see how much you guys like these videos and how much you're clicking those links, and in turn, it's just a nice little cycle of helping each other, because I show you guys products and then I make a little commission, and then I get more stuff from the brand and I can make more content, and so it's just a little cycle of love. So I just ask, if you are gonna shop, to use my links. I would really appreciate it. I believe there's a coupon code down there as well, so I got you, girl. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Stay glam. Bye.